now. Number 3 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When finding the best 3D printer under $900, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer steals the spotlight. Prepare to be amazed as this printer combines affordability with outstanding features, bringing your wildest creations to life. Efficiency and precision are at the core of this machine's design. Say goodbye to tedious calibration thanks to its automatic bed leveling. Rapid nozzle replacement allows you to easily switch between hardened and high-speed nozzles, catering to all your printing needs. And with a lightning-fast printing capability of 300 millimeters per second, your projects will come to life in no time. Enhanced print quality is a top priority, and the FLASHFORGE 3D printer doesn't disappoint. Equipped with 3 extruder fans, it ensures optimal cooling and consistent temperature control, resulting in flawless prints. The flexible PEI platform makes print removal a breeze, providing impeccable finishes while minimizing the risk of damage. No more frustrations with failed prints. The FLASHFORGE 3D printer comes with upgraded filament detection and print resume capabilities. Don't worry about filament breaks or power outages. Resume printing where you left off, ensuring a seamless experience. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.